Hello everyone and welcome to the Dragon Code. In this video I will analyze 11 times 11 streets roulette strategy on European roulette in Python programming language in Visual Studio Code. Let's move in Visual Studio Code. I created new Python file 11 times 11 streets and I will go in martingale file and copy this. I will actually copy all these modules and I don't need bettings now. For this strategy I don't need bettings list from martingale file because I will here bet on streets. Street is group of three numbers on roulette table. Game's number is going to be 1000 and then bet. First time I play it will be 11 euros. Then if I lose I will bet with 11 raised to the power of 2. If I lose again 2 times in a row, then I will bet with 11 raised to the power of 3, and if I lose again 3 times in a row, I will bet with 11 raised to the power of 4 euros. Chances of winning game with this strategy is 89%, which is very high, and with this amount of money you can lose 3 times in a row, so this strategy looks very safe. Now I will go to roulette functions module and here I need to write function to check if you win or not. I will copy this line of code and I will give name to this function is street win. And here instead of bet I will have parameter avoid. There are 12 streets in total and I will bet on 11 streets, so I need number of streets that I will avoid. And then if I avoid first street, if avoid is 1, in first street there are numbers 1, 2 and 3. So then if number is equal to 1 or number is equal to 2 or 3, and of course if number is equal to 0, then I will return false. It is not win. I need colon here, and if it's not true, else I'll return true. And I will do this for all other streets. Elif avoid street is 2. I will copy this. If number is 4, 5 or 6 or 0, it is false, then it is true. I will copy this. If avoid street is 3, then it is 7, 8 or 9. Then I will copy this. If street is 4, then it is 10, 11 and 12. If it is 5, then it is 13, 14 and 15. I will now copy this. 5 if it is 6, 15, 16, 17 and 18. If it is 7, it is 19, 20 and 21. If avoid street is 8, it is 22, 23 and 24. If it is 9, if avoid street is 9, it is 25, 26 and 27. And I need for 3 more streets. If it is 10, then it is 28, 29, and 30. If it is 11, then it is 31, 32, and 33. And final 12th street, if it is 34, 35, or 36, and of course 0. Let's test this function. So I will here print roulette functions is street win. I will avoid street 2, and here there are numbers 4, 5, and 6, and if number is 16, I should win. So win is true. But if it is number 4, 5, or 6, I will put 5. Now I should not win. Now win is false, and is also work for 0. If 0 is that number, win is also false. Let's test this. It is again false, so this function works. Now I need for loop, so I will go in martingale file and I will copy this and paste here. I will delete this, paste here. And here, instead of user bet, I need number of street that I will avoid. So I will name that variable avoid street. Let it be 4 street. And then if I win, so if red functions is street win, avoid street, and result. If that is true, I will first retrieve money that I bet with, so I will add money and bet. Then I need to add money that I profit, so it is money plus it is bet divided with 11 times 12 minus bet divided by 11 times 11. And then if bet is different from 11, I will divide bet by 10. So if I bet with 11 euros and win, I will retrieve that 11 euros and I will get one more. This is for retrieving bet and this is for that one more euro. If I bet with 121 euros, I will first retrieve that 121 euros and then I will also get 11 more. And if bet is different from 11, I will divide bet by 11. This because 11 is starting bet. If I lose, I multiply bet by 11. If I won, I divide bet by 11 unless it is 11. Then I won't divide it by 11. And if I don't win, I will then multiply bet by 11. Now I will again go to martingale file and I will copy this and I will paste it here. And I will just change here not enough money to continue 11 times 11 streets strategy. And now I need to change this 10,000 with this and I will paste it here. I will put that in brackets and I will run this code. Game over. Game over. I think I made mistake. It is here. This should be in money, not in bet. So I will paste it here and initial bet is going to be 11. And now I will run this code. I won. My profit is 756. Again, I profit again, again, again. Now I will store money list in CSV file. So I need to append money after each game in list money. Append money. I will also uncomment this. Now it is, I will call it money streets. 11 times 11 streets CSV file. And now I'll run this code. I profit again and list money is stored in 11 times 11 streets CSV file. This is that CSV file in Excel. Now I will insert 2D line graph. I just need to select those two columns. And this is flow of money. I will stretch it. So those little downfalls is 1 lose in a row and this bigger is 2 lose in a row. So according to this graph, we can conclude that 11 times 11 street strategy is very safe because there's only 2 times in a row lose. There is never three times in a row lose. Of course, in 1000 games. Let's move back in Visual Studio Code. I will comment this and now I will increase number of games. Now I will choose number of games to be 2000. I'll run this code. I profit. And now game is over. So with 2000 games I lose. Let's try several more times. Profit, 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 profit again, profit again. But still I lost once. So this strategy is not 100% safe. And let's now try with 10,000 games. And I will move this here. And I will run this code. Game over. I lose again, I lose again, and I profit, I lose, and again I lose. So chances of profit with 10,000 games is very low. So this 11 times 11 streets strategy looks very safe, even safer than martingale and Fibonacci, because chances of winning is 89%, while in martingale and Fibonacci strategy chances of winning is 50%, actually less than 50% because there is also 0. But although it seems impossible to lose 4 times in a row game that you have 89% chance of winning, you can see that with big number of games it is possible. So also this strategy is not 100% safe, and more you play, chances of losing are greater. This is all for this video. If you like this video and want more videos like this, press like button and subscribe, and see you next time.